Imagine looking up at the sky to witness a celestial ballet, a dance of shadows and light. The sun, our source of life, slowly begins to disappear as if a mysterious force is swallowing it whole. The world around you dims, and an eerie twilight descends upon the land. This, my friends, is a solar eclipse, a breathtaking phenomenon that has captivated humankind for millennia. Solar eclipses occur when the moon, in its perpetual dance around our planet, aligns perfectly between the Earth and the sun. This cosmic alignment casts a lunar shadow upon Earth's surface, creating an awe-inspiring spectacle that reminds us of the intricate workings of our universe. For a brief moment, the celestial bodies align, and we are treated to a glimpse of the raw power and beauty of the cosmos. It's a reminder that we are part of something much grander than ourselves, a cosmic dance that has been playing out for billions of years. To understand how solar eclipses occur, we must first grasp the basic mechanics of our solar system. The Earth revolves around the Sun, and the Moon, our faithful companion, orbits the Earth. A solar eclipse is a celestial game of alignment, a cosmic coincidence where these orbits intersect in a spectacular fashion. Picture this: the Sun, a giant ball of burning gas, radiating light and heat throughout our solar system. Earth, a much smaller sphere, follows its designated path around the Sun, basking in its warmth. And then there's the Moon, a rocky satellite with no light of its own, reflecting the Sun's light as it gracefully dances around our planet. Now, imagine these three celestial bodies moving into perfect alignment, with the Moon positioned directly between the Sun and Earth. At this precise moment, the Moon's shadow is cast upon the Earth's surface, resulting in a solar eclipse. This alignment is not a common occurrence. The Moon's orbit is tilted at an angle of approximately 5 degrees relative to Earth's orbit around the Sun. This means that most of the time the Moon passes above or below the Sun from our perspective on Earth, and no eclipse occurs. The Moon's orbit around Earth is not a perfect circle but rather an ellipse, an elongated oval shape. This elliptical orbit means that the Moon's distance from Earth varies throughout its cycle. This variation in distance plays a crucial role in the different types of solar eclipses we observe. When the Moon is closest to Earth in its orbit, a point known as perigee, it appears slightly larger in the sky. If a solar eclipse occurs when the Moon is at or near perigee, it can completely block out the Sun's disk, resulting in a total solar eclipse. Conversely, when the Moon is farthest from Earth in its orbit, a point known as apogee, it appears slightly smaller in the sky. If a solar eclipse happens when the Moon is at or near apogee, it may not completely cover the Sun's disk, leaving a ring of sunlight visible around the Moon's silhouette. This is known as an annular solar eclipse. The Moon's elliptical orbit, combined with the precise alignment required for a solar eclipse, creates a celestial ballet of sorts. It's a delicate dance of distances and angles, a cosmic choreography that unfolds over millions of years. Solar eclipses are not created equal. The celestial dance of the Sun, Moon, and Earth can result in a variety of eclipse experiences, each with its unique characteristics and visual splendor. There are three main types of solar eclipses: total, partial, and annular. Each type depends on the Moon's position in its elliptical orbit and the geometry of the alignment between the Sun, Moon, and Earth. Understanding these different types of eclipses enhances our appreciation for the celestial mechanics that create these awe-inspiring events. Whether it's the drama of a total solar eclipse, the subtle beauty of a partial eclipse, or the fiery ring of an annular eclipse, each type offers a unique perspective on the intricate workings of our solar system. Section 5. Total solar eclipses, a rare alignment. A total solar eclipse is a celestial spectacle of unparalleled beauty and rarity. It occurs when the Moon passes directly between the Sun and Earth, completely obscuring the Sun's disk and casting a shadow, known as the umbra, upon Earth's surface. For those fortunate enough to be positioned within the path of totality, the sky darkens as if night had fallen, and the air grows noticeably cooler. The stars emerge, and the Sun's corona, the outermost layer of its atmosphere, becomes visible as a shimmering halo around the black disk of the Moon. Total solar eclipses are a relatively rare phenomenon, happening on average every 18 months somewhere on Earth. However, for any given location on our planet, a total solar eclipse is a once-in-a-lifetime event, occurring on average only every 375 years. This rarity makes total solar eclipses all the more special. They are a reminder of the vastness of time and space and the fleeting nature of our own existence. Section 6. The Eclipse Path, Chasing the Shadow. The path of totality, the narrow corridor on Earth's surface where a total solar eclipse can be observed, is a coveted destination for eclipse chasers and astronomy enthusiasts alike. This path, often just a few hundred kilometers wide, traces the moon's shadow as it sweeps across Earth's surface at high speed. As the moon's shadow races across the planet, those positioned within the path of totality witness the full glory of a total solar eclipse. The duration of totality, the period when the sun is completely obscured, can vary depending on the eclipse, but it typically lasts only a few minutes. Outside the path of totality, observers experience a partial solar eclipse, with the moon covering only a portion of the sun's disk. The limited geographic scope and brief duration of total solar eclipses make them a highly sought-after experience, driving eclipse chasers to travel to remote corners of the globe to witness these celestial wonders. Section 7. Partial solar eclipses, a glimpse of darkness. While not as dramatic as a total solar eclipse, partial solar eclipses are still captivating celestial events. They occur when the moon passes in front of the sun but does not completely cover its disk, leaving a crescent-shaped sliver of sunlight visible. The extent to which the sun is obscured during a partial solar eclipse depends on the observer's location relative to the path of totality. Those closer to the path of totality will witness a greater portion of the sun being blocked out, while those farther away will see a more subtle dimming of the sun's light. Partial solar eclipses are more common than total solar eclipses, occurring several times a year in various locations around the world. While they may not evoke the same sense of awe as a total solar eclipse, partial eclipses are still a fascinating reminder of the celestial dance taking place above us. Section 8. Annular solar eclipses, a ring of fire. Annular solar eclipses offer a unique and visually stunning twist on the traditional solar eclipse. They occur when the moon is at or near its apogee, the farthest point in its orbit from Earth. At this distance, the moon appears slightly smaller in the sky and is unable to completely cover the sun's disk. As the moon passes in front of the sun during an annular eclipse, it creates a breathtaking effect known as the ring of fire. The moon's silhouette appears as a dark disk superimposed over the sun's bright face, leaving a brilliant ring of sunlight visible around its edges. This ring of fire, a celestial halo encircling the moon's dark silhouette, creates a mesmerizing spectacle that is both beautiful and awe-inspiring. Annular eclipses, like total eclipses, are relatively rare events, occurring on average every few years somewhere on Earth. Section 9. The science behind the wonder. Beyond their visual splendor, solar eclipses provide scientists with invaluable opportunities to study the sun and its effects on Earth. During a total solar eclipse, when the sun's blinding light is blocked out, astronomers can observe the sun's corona, the outermost layer of its atmosphere, in greater detail. The corona, normally too faint to be seen against the sun's glare, becomes visible during totality as a shimmering halo of plasma, extending millions of kilometers into space. Studying the corona helps scientists understand the sun's magnetic field, its solar wind, and the processes that drive space weather, which can impact satellites, power grids, and other technologies on Earth. Solar eclipses also provide a natural laboratory for studying Earth's atmosphere. The sudden drop in temperature and the dimming of sunlight during an eclipse can affect atmospheric circulation patterns, cloud formation, and even animal behavior. Section 10. Observing eclipses safely. While solar eclipses are breathtaking celestial events, it's crucial to observe them safely to protect your eyesight from the sun's harmful rays. Never look directly at the sun, even during a partial eclipse or the partial phases of a total eclipse, without proper eye protection. Looking directly at the sun can cause serious eye damage, including solar retinopathy, a condition that can lead to permanent vision loss. To observe a solar eclipse safely, use special-purpose solar eclipse glasses or viewers that meet international safety standards. These glasses or viewers block out most of the sun's harmful ultraviolet and infrared radiation, allowing you to safely observe the eclipse. Ordinary sunglasses, even very dark ones, do not provide adequate protection for viewing the sun. Section 11. Conclusion: the universe's grand performance. Solar eclipses, from the drama of totality to the subtle beauty of a partial eclipse, remind us of the intricate workings of our universe and our place within its grand design. They are celestial events that have captivated humankind for millennia, inspiring awe, wonder, and a thirst for scientific understanding. As we continue to explore the cosmos and unravel its mysteries, let us never lose sight of the beauty and wonder that lie right above us in the celestial dance of the sun, moon, and earth. For in these cosmic events we find a profound connection to the universe and a renewed appreciation for the fragile beauty of our own planet.